you maybe clarify for the average listener some distinctions between these different types of plans?
Yeah, no problem. So I'll go between a PPO and HMO. And, a PPO is going to cost you typically more because a PPO, there's no
You don't need a referral, right?
Yep.
For the
No
doctor. You go
referrals.
straight to the doctor.
Correct.
Okay.
And there's typically out-of-network benefits. Okay. Now, those out-of-network benefits are going to cost you a lot more. Typically, the deductibles double of the in-network deductible. The out-of-pocket max, which is your total exposure, including your deductible and copays, is typically double. But you have that flexibility. So if you want to go to a doctor that doesn't take your insurance and you have a PPO, you can do that. You'll pay more, but you have that option. So you have flexibility. The PPO also typically have larger networks compared to an HMO, typically. So when you look at, again, I'll use Florida Blue just because it's the most popular, it's the biggest carrier in Florida. Yeah. If you look at Florida Blue and you look at their PPO or EPO compared to their HMO, the network is a lot more robust with the PPO. And hence one of the reasons why you're paying more for it. Okay. Even when you compare a higher deductible PPO to a lower deductible HMO, the PPO typically, PPO with the higher deductible, even with the lower deductible, the higher deductible is going to cost you more. Okay. Because the network, the reason why you see a lot of these cheaper plans, and I'm not going to get into which ones are cheaper, but there are certain carriers that are cheaper, is because the network is limited. Okay. And why is that the case? Is because typically the insurance company and the provider have a negotiation and they say, you know what, if you want to be a provider on our insurance, this is your negotiated rate. And they're typically a lot less than the PPOs or the larger